Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and today I'd like to talk about all-season floor mats for the Tesla Model 3. If you remember a little while back, I actually put some Tesla OEM all-season floor mats into my Model 3 back here. They're about $145 direct from Tesla, so they're pretty pricey. Well, recently a company reached out to me and asked if I would review their all-season floor mats, and at first I thought, well, I already have them, so how am I going to do that? And then I realized that, well, of course. Got another Model 3. My wife's Model 3 is parked out here on the driveway. So sure, I'd be glad to review them. And they were kind enough to give me two sets. So one for my wife's car. We'll do the review here, let you know how I feel about them. And then a second set for one of you. So stick around. At some point later in this video, I will tell you how you can go about winning the extra set of floor mats I've picked up. So without further ado, we're going to review the Bouge RV floor mats. You can purchase them on Amazon. They're just under 80 bucks, so they're almost half as expensive as the Tesla all-season mats. They do look great in the pictures. I actually haven't opened them yet, so we'll open them together. I'll have all the details in the description down below, take you right to the product itself. And again, stick around during this video while I show you how to install them and what they look like. I'll let you know how you can possibly win a free set as well. So come along with me and check it out. All right, well, let's see what we've got here. I must say, when you get two sets in one box, it is really heavy. So they are in some pretty serious wrap here. Custom made heavy duty latex car mats, all weather, eco-friendly. The claim is that they don't smell. A lot of stuff that you buy on Amazon, if it's a little bit on the cheaper side, not to say these are cheap, they're still pretty expensive at 80 bucks, it will smell really bad. So you can't smell it in the video, but I will let you know if these smell or not when I open them. All right, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. You can see there's some excess material up here at the top. It shows to cut. Now, I don't want to make a mistake, so give me a moment. I'm going to check the description, check the instructions. I'll be right back. All right, well, step one, there are these locking tabs here, so we've got to break these. Maybe that's what they want us to cut. I don't want to cut any material until I know if we really have to or not, so. Okay, that looked like the right thing to do. Let's try that over here on the other side. All right, so the first thing that I noticed looking at them is that they look really nice, actually. My favorite part about them is that they don't have any branding on them. I really dislike seeing aftermarket parts with really big labels on them. So, if it's got a small, subtle Tesla logo, I'm all for that. Of course, third-party parts can't have that. But when a third-party brand has a huge logo, it's just not for me. Now, so that's a positive. On the negative side, you can see clearly they are pretty curled up from shipping, but on the back here, let's grab it, they've got this grippy, sticky material. So it should grab down pretty nicely and flatten out. That shouldn't be a problem for us. And I'm giving them the old smell test. They don't smell, so the claim is true. They do not smell. Now, here's the biggest question for me. Let me pick this up and show you. It's right here. As you can see, there are two icons of scissors. Now, I'm pretty sure that those scissors were in place for me to cut those tabs that were holding everything together, but the question is, do I cut this part off? I think I have to, because when I look at the other floor mats for the back seat there, So you could see clearly they're molded to go in the car, and that extra piece isn't going to fit. On this, it's going to be the same story. So I'm going to cut this off. If I'm wrong, well, short video. Let's give it a go. Okay, so there are our mats. Let's go ahead and throw them in my wife's Model 3. All right, so let's go ahead and start in the back seat. As you can see, we've got two little kids, so it doesn't take very long. This is typical of a back seat for us. So the OEM mats are held in with Velcro. You can just pull them right out. Clean those up later. One of the benefits, of course, to the all-season mats is that they're easier to clean. So let's give it a good clean for underneath, and we'll have a much easier time from here. All right, let's throw in the mat here in the back seat. So just gonna kind of unroll this thing here, throw it down. All right, you can see it's a good cut, it's a good fit. This middle portion, just gonna have to throw some weight down on it to get it to flatten out, but that'll happen over time without too much difficulty. So yeah, good fit here in the back seat. Again, no branding, so they look solid. All right, passenger side now. I'm gonna take the OEM carpeted mat out. Again, just held down with Velcro. Comes right out. All right, here's the new mat going in. We'll pay close attention to see the quality of the cut. So you can see, again, that's from, I don't know if this camera will get in there. It's folding a little bit from shipping. So we'll leave that in there, let that flatten out. I'll make sure to give it a proper test run before reporting. As far as fit and finish, I'd say it's like 98, 99% of the way there. It's maybe a little bit of a gap here. So you can see I'm sweating already here in Florida. But otherwise, the fit here is pretty good as well. All right, now driver's side. This one I'd like to pay close attention to on cut. Kind of a stickler here for a good fit around the dead pedal. So let's see how the new one looks. All right, so again, to me, the most important one here, driver's side. We want to see how the fit is. All right, so there you go. That's driver's side. I would say it is really good. Again, not perfect. To be fair, not perfect, but it's really good. All right, so there you go for the closer look. You can see it's really well cut. Can't really complain too much, actually. That's a really good cut around the dead pedal. All right, so there you have it. Those are the Bouge RV all-season floor mats for the Tesla Model 3. I told you to stick around and we'd let you know how you could win a set for yourself. Well, you probably guessed it while you were waiting. The way to do that is to like this video, comment on this video, and for a bonus chance to win, please share a link on the video on either Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Tag TeslaTunity in the video. That'll give you an extra chance. So comment, like, subscribe. Forgot that one. You gotta be subscribed to my channel for a chance to win. And then, of course, try to share it on your favorite social platform. Tag me, I'm on there. That'll give you a bonus chance. One caveat, and I'll put this in the description down below, these are really heavy, so I'm not sure what it's going to cost to ship. I think it's going to be for US only, but I'll check shipping rates. We'll see who wins, and if that even comes into play. We'll have a random generator to pick the winner between the social shares and the comments. Again, like, comment, subscribe. That'll give you a chance. So, of course, one of you gets a chance to win it, but what do I think? Should you buy this? Again, they're just under 80 bucks versus the Tesla all-season mats, which are 145. Fit and finish on the Tesla mats are definitely better. Now, they should be for $145, but the cuts are perfect on the Tesla mats, and they went right in. There was really no concerns with the rolling up on the edges. So these mats, again, just under 80 bucks on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description down below. The cut's really good. It's not perfect, but it's really good. There's no smell, no ugly branding. It's one piece in the back seat. So I'm really happy with it overall. I think my wife's gonna like it, and we'll give it a go. If there's any reason why, if they don't lay down flat, we'll make sure we have that in the description in this video before it goes live, just to give some final thoughts, just in case they don't really play out like we assume they will. But again, no smell is really important. Price just under 80 bucks and really good fit and finish without any ugly branding. So for me, it's a recommended buy. Again, as I said up front, Bouge RV did send us this set for free and one set for you for free. So take advantage, comment, like, subscribe, share on social. Make sure you tag me so I see it, and that'll give you extra chances. We'll let that go for probably a week or two, and I will use a random generator. We'll pick a winner, and I'll let you know either in the comments here on YouTube or in your social share. So that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you on the next one, everyone. Bye.